The IoT project requires setting up the embedded device with internet connection via LAN cable and power source, which will then connect to the MQTT and enable the user to scan the NFC tag, which will then be sent to the MQTT. There are two interfaces, one where the data is displayed and enables the user to use some of the features provided, and an MQTT client which projects the messages received from the topic subscribed, which updates data to the database. The database stores three tables. The common table keeps track of how long particular ID has been present. DB records table keeps data for particular ID on a particular date. The DB table shows status and details registered for a particular ID. Scanning your NFC tag will update the database by inserting the ID if not found or updating the data for the scanned ID. As you can see, the ID has been registered with the status present. The ID has been registered in the database and the common table for its present session. If the ID is scanned again, the status is changed to the opposite to reflect the presence of the user, updating the DB table in the database and updating information collected that will be used to generate statistical information for the user. The database keeps track of how long ID has held status present and accumulates the time to register the duration of presence for that particular ID during the day. The common table is used to track length of sessions, and database records table is used to accumulate the daily period of presence. The current footage displays the status changes when matching NFC ID tag is scanned. The status is flipped to the opposite when scanned again. The visuality is changed, and the status on the table is updated. Using another NFC tag will register the ID if not found, or change the status every time scanned if ID matches in the database. This is the user interface, which enables the user to edit the status of a chosen ID. As you can see, I am selecting an ID and changing the status. The user interface also enables to edit the details registered for a particular ID. The changes are also updated in the database. The user interface also enables the user to display statistical information of accumulated hours spent holding status present for a chosen ID. This data is accumulated for a particular day for a particular user. As you can see, different ID has different statistical information collected.